Why will you be ashamed of making money the right way? Don't be ashamed of making money the right way. Make it the right way rather than to steal. You are welcome. Hello my wonderful people and lovely people out there. How are you all doing today? You are welcome to this channel today. You are welcome. So today I don't want to waste much of your time. I'm going to be teaching us the way we can make money when you don't have the means of working. Maybe like you don't have a working permit, you don't have residence, and you don't have documents. You are just new in the country, like maybe like in Sweden, or maybe like in another country where they can make other money that is not illegal, that is legal, and you can buy something and eat with it. Is this you can, like yesterday I was talking to a guy. You don't have a working permit, you don't have this, you can be doing this. He said, no, I'm shy. Why are you ashamed of making money when you know that way nobody will question you? Where did you see money to buy bread? Where did you see money to buy Coke? Where did you see money to buy this that you're taking? And when you use it, when you do it right, you can see money to buy bread, to buy drink for yourself without stealing, without embarrassing anybody to give you 10 euro, to give you 5 euro. You can do it. Like like here in Sweden, I will talk of like in Sweden. In Sweden, when if you are living in Sweden, you don't have documents, you don't have working permits. There is no other way for you to feed. Rather, you cannot be begging people every day, give me 10 euro, give me 5 euro. Even they will be tired of hearing you. Maybe sometimes when you are coming, they will just run away because all the time you are begging and you are begging. So today, you can still do something that is not illegal, that when you do, nobody will hold you. That is picking can. When I say can, you see the Coke bottle, the Coke can you drink, and the Coke bottle you drink, all those things you drink. 1 cent, 2 cents. If you, a lot of people take it, some people take it as full-time job before they get their document, before they get their working permit. You can be doing that to earn money when you are in Sweden. I don't know of another country, but when you are in Sweden, or it's like London too, I don't know. But when you are in those areas, you can be picking can to sell. Go to a supermarket and just pass it, which I'm going to be showing you how to pass it. You don't need to be ashamed that no, people are looking at me and people will say she's speaking can or he's speaking can. It's better for people to laugh at you than you going to steal. It's better for people to laugh at you than you being a liability in the house. You are just sleeping, you wake up, you sleep, you feel that what am I going to do? There is something for you to do. You can buy bread with it. You can buy Coke with it. You can buy something with it. You can even, if you are serious, some people that is serious, okay, for example, you make 10 euro a day. Maybe you pick car, you go around, you wake up like normal human being that is going to work, and start picking, put your hand glove in your hands, start picking the can and gather everything together. When you gather everything together, a day, if you can sell 10 euro, a month is 300 euro. Yes, a month is 300 euro. Why some people make more than that? Some people make more than that. There was a guy we were discussing day before yesterday. A can that he picks every day, he makes sometimes 20 euro a day. He make more than that if he's serious. What am I trying to say? If you are not in need of it, you are working, you have money, you are not in need of it, you don't need to do that. But when you don't have money, you don't have what you are doing, you don't have money to spend, maybe you need to eat, don't be ashamed. Go and pick. Just search for. Put your hand glove, just wear your hand glove and start searching. Keep it. Even me, when I drink mine, I don't throw it up. I'm going to be showing you an example of mine that I've been gathering since on Christmas Day, because I don't need to go and pick outside. But it doesn't really matter that if I drink that I will not keep it. I will keep it. Everybody needs money. Even though it's one bread, you can buy with it. It's something. Don't be ashamed. Don't look at people outside and be saying, no, I could have do this because my auntie or my uncle or my sister or my brother will be looking at me. Who cares? And so you can put food on your table with it. You didn't go and steal. You didn't dupe the government. You didn't do bad things. You're just doing that to end your living. Guy, girl, don't look at anybody's face. Do it, and do it with joy. Do it with peace. Do it with gladness. Think God will give you your working permit so that you can start earning money as a working class person. But for now, that you don't have documents, you don't have permits, start picking can, because there is no other thing for you to do. If you don't have documents, there is no other thing for you to do. Pick can. If you wake up in the morning, if you're going to take it and you want to walk around your street, you want to walk around the dustbin in your area to be picking it, pick it. Don't look at anybody's face. Because when you steal, when you're a thief, when they hear that you're a thief, those people that is laughing at you, they are the first person that is going to video you and share it everywhere. Before you know, you are everywhere. You steal €5 when you can get it from picking can. I'm here to encourage you today. If you are in Sweden or if you are in Norway, I don't know, if you are in London, where you know they can sell those things like can, just pick it and sell. I know in Spain you can sell can, they throw it up, but in Sweden you sell those things to earn your money. Some people live with that. Some people are living with that. They pay their house rent with that. They eat with that. But I don't know how they do it, but they really also hard. If there is no other means for you to get money, also hard, pick your can. You will see that you will be living happily, joyfully. You buy your bread, you buy your tea, you buy what you want without disturbing other people. Yes, when you come back, wash your hands and sanitize your hands. They are not going to write it here. This guy is speaking can every day. This woman is speaking can every day. They will not write it. It will not be in your hand. They will not write it on your forehead. Okay? I'm encouraging you today to do that. If you are in Sweden, you are not working, you don't have working permit, start doing that. You will earn money for yourself. Let me teach you how I'm going to pass mine and how much is going to give to me. What I can use that money to buy. I'm going to be discussing it with you. You are welcome. Bye-bye. I love you. Remain blessed.
So guys, this is the can. This is 1 crown. So the bigger one is 2 crown. You see, they always write it on it. So you see all these ones, I have been keeping it since almost 2 months now. When I have visitor, I keep it. Sometimes when I'm just walking around the garden, I see anyone, I take it, girl. I don't joke. So now I'm in the supermarket. I'm going to pass it. This is the small supermarket that is closer to me, so I don't want to go to the bigger one. So I'm just passing it right now. So as you are passing it, it's counting your money. If you want to dash it to the government, you can press the yellow one. If you want the money for yourself, you press the green one. If you press the yellow one, it will go to the government, but if you press the green one, it will come back to you. Okay, so if you don't have anything doing, you are in Sweden, please don't be ashamed. Okay, people will always laugh. Let them laugh. As far you are not dead, let them laugh. Okay, do what you can do to eat your daily meal. Okay, so that is it, guys. We are going to be seeing how much this is going to be giving to me. So talking of, if you are doing it as everyday something and you are serious about it, you will see that the money you'll be getting every day, it will be bigger. You get €15 or €20 every day. €20 every day. A month is €600. So it's something for you. You understand? It's better for you to still take it as a part-time job before you get your working permit, because when you don't have your working permit, there is nothing for you to do. No way, no two ways about it. So I'm going to be pressing the green one, not the yellow one. So if you are giving it to the government, you press the yellow one, as I've said before. So you see, this way, any money you can make like this, you are good to go. So I'll bring out the receipt. So So now I'm going to go to cashier to go and pick my money, guys. So I'm going there right now. So as I'm there, I'll be waiting to reach my turn. So that ticket is what you need to give to them. I've given to them. So some coins come out of this place. I have to pick it, and they give me the remaining one. You see? So how much is it now? $11, which is €11. You see? So guys, you can use it to buy bread and butter and groundnut. You can use it to buy what you want to eat without disturbing other people. So I'm good to go. I'm leaving the supermarket right now. If I want to buy anything, I can buy it with it. Thank you for watching.
Welcome back. You see, with that money, I can use it, which is $11. With that money, I can use it to buy bread. I can use it to buy Coke. I can use it to buy bread. I can use it to buy butter. Or if, for example, I want to cook something, I can use it to buy vegetable and cook a little bit of stew, or I can use it to buy one yam and eat as a porridge. You can use it to buy bread. You can use it to buy granite. You can use it to buy things in your house that you cannot disturb. You see, this one, I'm just gathering it little since December, because they drink a lot in December, so I have to gather everything. Yeah, don't throw it away. Everybody needs money. Even though you have money, you still need money. Yes, don't throw it off, okay? So as from today, I challenge you to do that. Don't look at anybody's face where you know that there is no other means for you to get money. Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed. Why are you ashamed? Who are you ashamed of? Why are you ashamed? Stop that today and start doing things for yourself. Because the Bible says, whatever your hand finds to do, do it with all your heart. Do it, okay? As long as you didn't go and steal, it's better. Even the Bible hates begging begging. It said, thou shalt not borrow. Thou shalt lend to the nation. So this one, you are not borrowing. You are picking things to go and sell for yourself, not to steal. Even God will help you to gather more that day. Take care of yourself. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to know when I upload. Bye-bye. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Tell me, what are you waiting for? Please just press that red button that says subscribe and press the notification bell beside it so that anytime I upload, you will be the first to know. Bye-bye. I love you. Take care of yourself, guys.